police.
New this morning, Mesa police arrest 3 men accused of using heavy construction equipment to steal ATM machines, and police believe they pulled it off more than once. Patrick Intinoli, Brian Grochi, and Mark Bryant are now all behind bars. Police say they would steal heavy construction equipment, head to the bank, use it to remove those ATM machines. During one of the thefts, a glove was left behind at the scene, and they used DNA, kind of technology to recover some information that led them to these 3 men.
That's interesting.
Yeah, one glove, that's all it needed.